Yo, what's good to YouTube, man? I got an unboxing video today, man. And you know what? During this quarantine, man, I've been ordering shoes like crazy. Shoes, jerseys, and hats. Like, going nuts, man. I have 8 shoes on the way. 4 jerseys on the way. A few hats on the way. It's too much, man. But I got 3 packages today. And they are all shoes, right? I think I already know what they are. I know it's a Retro 1 Low, a Retro 1 Mid, and a Converse. Before we get into this, man, do me a favor. Please subscribe to my channel. You knew that was coming. Okay. I already busted tape on the boxes just to cut down on time. I didn't actually look inside the boxes, but I'm excited to see a couple pairs of these shoes. The Converse, I've already seen in person, but the Retro ones I haven't. So let's get into this. Alright, you already slow. White box. You know that's where them lows and the mids come in. Women's Air Jordan 1 Low. Yes. I'm excited about this. Yes. Good God. There we have it. Women's Jordan 1 Low snakeskin. Rainbow snakeskin. When I saw these official pictures online, I knew I had to have them. Everybody sent them to me like, no, I know you grabbing these. You were right. I am grabbing these. And I did grab these. I actually got these on an early release on footaction.com. They released them at like odd time. I think it was like 2, 3 in the morning. I was just up and they released them and I jumped on them. So you got that rainbow snakeskin around the entire shoe. Black bottom. Right? Leather tongue with that gold, metallic gold Jumpman. Now the check, if you look at the check isn't a fabric. It isn't stitched in or anything. It's just a gold metallic trim. That's tough with the leather on the inside. Let me get a close up of that so you can see. That's tough. Inside we have a gold Jumpman. Can you see that? Yeah, make sure y'all can see that. Yo. This shoe is tough. Happy about this. And I got some good color spotting on there. Tough. Alright, let's move on. The next one should be my mids. Alright, another white box. So I think this is my mids. White box. What's this? Jordan 1 Low. No, I don't have another low on the way. They sent me 2 pairs, man. They actually sent me 2 pairs of this shoe. I didn't order 2 pairs of this shoe. I'll take it though. That's not right. I wasn't expecting that. That is not right. But I'm with it. Alright, let's move on to the Converses. Excited about these. Man, yes. Converse Pro Leather Mid. But it's really a high. All pony hair. Oof. The whole shoe pony hair. You got the toe. That's that black stallion. Right? You got the giraffe print pony hair. Wicked. Then you got the... what's that? Camo? The camo print pony hair. Tough. Leather hits in the back. Embossed Converse logo. That back tab. Go to the inside of the foot. Again, that pony hair giraffe print. And with the camo pony hair on the front. Yo, that's tough. Let me see the tongue. Okay, the tongue is all black pony hair as well. You can see that they have it protected by paper. That's tough. That's tough. Let me see if the other foot is the same. I thought they were different. The other foot is the same. Actually, they swapped the placements of the furs on the outside. Yo, I got this shoe for $50 off Converse.com. I had been eyeing them for a while, and they went on sale. And then they had an additional 20% off, and I was able to get them for $50. Got them for 50 shipped, actually. Tough shoe. If you like this shoe, you need to go up a half size, I would suggest, because they run snug. They run snug in the toe, so definitely go up a half size. Well, that's it. I mean, that's it. I thought I was getting the mid, but I didn't. I got a low, a free low, and my Converses. Anyways, man, if you like what you saw today, please like, comment, share, spread the word. And please, please, please subscribe. I am about to start cooking up for those lows. That's what I'm about to do. I'm about to cook up right now. All right, man. Peace.